This is the Guider Star, right? No, Sync Star. The telescope finds a star near the object that you'll be looking at and guides on it, and then it will trace over to the object we're looking for. Syncs on it. Yes, I do not point anything at anyone. I just speak freely. I know that the Night Skies Network, this website here, it's not our website. They allow us to use it, so we show as much kindness to the viewers who we don't know are there as possible. I know for a fact that there are astronomy clubs that will log into the chat room under one name, and behind that one name, and they may not even put a name, it may stay a generic name, could be 100 eager listeners. What's their age? I couldn't hardly tell. I know that astronomy is loved by young and old. And so we have a good time. And it's not pointed in any direction. You know what I'm saying. I'm being nice. We're all nice here. That's right. And Jack has already uploaded 9 minutes of this broadcast on YouTube. Click on that link and you'll go to the Malincam USA YouTube channel, where you can see this broadcast from earlier and a multitude of other broadcasts and important videos from Malincam USA. Malincam USA is the manufacturer of the CCD camera that is being used this evening to view this broadcast in the night sky. It is one of two Malincam cameras, this one being a Malincam Extreme. And our second camera would be a Malincam Signature number 6. One's Bob's, one's Debbie's, and great product, great product. Hello, Norm. Rock Malin and Ottawa, Canada is the manufacturer. Jack is the American distributor, I believe, the distributor for the United States for Malincam USA. Yes. We could potentially have over a few hundred people watching. I know there's the charitable event. There's a lot of people there. There are the astronomy clubs that come in looking for great broadcasts, and they do come in. So we could have hundreds and hundreds. We'd love for them to all come inside the chat box, come inside the room, let us know you're there, tell us what you think, and then we'll converse about the objects we're looking at. Bob is still continuing to work with the Guider Scope, the Sync Star, and we are going to get 51, the Whirlpool Galaxy, in just a few moments. 7 seconds. And let me go find information on M51 that I could relay to you. You've got this on a certain thing, NGC. How am I able to search? To get this. Even I need a lesson on how to use Starry Nights Pro. We're going to tell you about it right now. Put my glasses down. The Whirlpool Galaxy. Do we have it up? Oh, we do have it up. Welcome, welcome, welcome. M51, the Whirlpool Galaxy, is arguably the most impressive galaxy for amateur astronomers. It is easy to locate with binoculars as it lies just over 3 degrees northwest of Alkaid, the star at the end of the Big Dipper's handle. The Whirlpool is a face-on galaxy. making its spiral structure easy to observe. A telescope, dark skies, and moderate power will begin to reveal the spiral arms. M51 has a bright central core, but no stars can be resolved. The core likely contains a supermassive black hole. Of special interest is the bridge of nebulosity that connects M51 to its companion galaxy NGC 5195. Recent research suggests that the gravitational pull of NGC 5195 is causing star formation in the Whirlpool galaxy. And now I'm going to go look for myself. Cool. Take that off. Cool. Cool. I love the color. Look, you're getting good resolution. You see the dark. I'll do some more. I'm going to repeat that since I saw the picture, I love the picture. Let's repeat this one more time. We're going to repeat these items at least once or twice in the description. You are looking at the Whirlpool Galaxy M51. Welcome. It is arguably the most impressive galaxy for amateur astronomers. It is easy to locate with binoculars as it lies just over 3 degrees northwest of Alkaid, the star at the end of the Big Dipper's handle. The Whirlpool is a quote-unquote face-on galaxy, making its spiral structure easy to observe. A telescope, dark skies, and moderate power will begin to reveal the spiral arms. M51 has a bright central core, but no stars can be resolved. The contains a supermassive black hole. Of special interest is the bridge of nebulosity that connects M51 to its companion galaxy, NGC 5195. Recent research suggests that the gravitational pull of NGC 5195 is causing star formation in the Whirlpool galaxy. We are reading that information, Debbie and Jack. Thank you very much for it. We are following the directives. Thank you, Jack. Thank you for your wonderful insight this evening, Jack. Please keep it up.
Humidity is 89%.
Yes, I can. It's not the arm that stretches out to the smaller NGC 5195, but it is the spiral arm in between NGC 5195 and M51. You'll see in that spiral arm that runs across the middle, in between, has a noticeable bend. Right here. That bend, you can see it appears like the stuff of the spiral arm is being pulled outward toward the smaller NGC 5195. So yes, Jack, I can see it. Very cool. I can see it. I can see it on all my computers, on all the Night Skies Network broadcasts. If I can see it, you can see it too. Don't you love it, Kevin? I didn't notice that before either. And that's why this Night Skies Network and all the viewers and listeners and broadcasters better, more. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Optimus. Good evening. So he's telling you to heat it up. Heat it up. These aren't warm, are they? Though? Those are. Wasn't that barbecue good? Yes, Ian, that would be right. The context of space, the space of space is something that's very hard for most people to actually grasp. I'm going to use an example that I learned this week. If you were to take the solar system and create a visual, or let's say a presentation of it, and you made it so it was a size that you could walk from the sun to the furthest reaches of the solar system, all the planets would be the size of a marble or smaller, and the size of the solar system from the sun outward to the farthest point would encompass about the size of an average college campus. So picture the sun being a marble in the center of the courtyard, and you'd have to walk all the way out to its edge. I mean, and that's kind of a simple way of saying it, but we cannot even comprehend the scale of space. Or even the size of stars. Imagine that our sun is one of the smaller type stars. Our sun could not produce a black hole, as far as I understand it, because it does not contain enough mass. There are stars that are thousands of times bigger than our sun. The scale of space, the hardest thing to comprehend. Okay, this is what we're going to do for this moment right here. We're on M51. We're going to let it be for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to turn the microphone off. Me and Bob are going to converse. We're going to come back on. So enjoy this site. 2-3 minutes.